Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to join colors in crochet. So let's get started. When you're ready to change colors, take your hook out of that stitch, pass it through the top of the stitch and then the side loop. Pull the new color through. And now you can take that loop from the first stitch and pull it out. And then just continue on your way, making single crochets. Like that. There's my join. And so I'll show you that again. When you're ready for your new color, you're going to remove your hook from the top of the stitch, then insert the hook from the top of the stitch and through that side loop, pull in the new color, and then continue single crocheting. And there's that loop. Pull that down and just continue on your way. And there are the two places where I joined my yarn. And from the back, after weaving your yarn into the work, it will look the same from both sides. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.